Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and basically the new build that we're going to talk about, which is 18362, was released yesterday. Second build in a row yesterday, Wednesday, March the 20th, 2019. So, of course, I'm taking a look. I always take my time to take a look at new builds because I want to make sure they're, very stable and work well. Very stable. The install went well. Everything is okay with me. I didn't notice a couple of you have been mentioning that the past couple of builds have install problems. And I thought I'd actually use this little quick review of this build 18362 to give some pointers of what you can do if there is some issue with the install of a build. So in general, what happened here is that there's no new features in 18362, which was only 24 hours after the last build. And there could be another build this week. I wouldn't be surprised. We'd have 3 builds this week, and I wouldn't at all be surprised that that could happen. So they fixed 2 things in here. They fixed the Connect app that was crashing on launch for some insiders. And they fixed the Microsoft Store apps that updates were not automatically installing. So that means that these 2 things are fixed. It drops the known issue list to 3 things: the anti-cheat software bug check, the Creative X5 sound card problem, and some Realtek SD card readers. 3 problems. The biggest of these 3 for me is probably the games with anti-cheat, because if you're a gamer, that means that, and a lot of games actually use the anti-cheat software to, if that triggers a bug check, gamers are going to be a little mad. So I would say this is maybe the biggest problem of the build. Maybe Realtek SD card readers could be a problem, but we're really close. I mean, this is telling us that we are at a point where any day now the build can be issued. Any day now they can officially say, okay, here it is, here's the build, and this is the April 2019 update. Enjoy, have fun. This is where it is. So I think in the next week we're there. We're very, very close, unless they discover some really big, some really huge bug with this. Now, for the rest, of course, we are waiting for what's going to happen next. It's still not time. We still don't have any clues that it's time to remove yourself from the Insider program. Don't worry, I'll let you know when it's time to do so. For those that have problems installing, a few little things that I will actually tell you guys. First of all, make sure that when you install it, that you unplug every device from the USB ports possible. Make sure that there's the minimum plugged in on your PC to help it install well. Okay, first thing. So unplug the printers and external hard drives and whatever you can unplug. Keep your computer at its minimum requirement to work, to be able to do what you need to do, and try to update from there. So that's the first thing that I would say, try. If it doesn't work and it still doesn't want to update, one of the biggest issues that is often fixed thanks to a clean install is that sometimes, we get regular updates. It can happen that sometimes there's corrupted files in the updates. One thing that you can do is use the Windows Update tool that might actually fix any problems with Windows Update. So in your settings, when Windows Update fails, there's a way to actually go and get a tool to, have Windows Update problems fixed. So it could be within Windows Update that you're having an issue, not necessarily with the PC. So that's the other thing. So in the update and security, of course, you will check for updates, and if it doesn't work, there's a troubleshooting tab on the left side here when you're in the Windows Update. So in the Windows Update stuff, here is resolve problems that prevent you from updating Windows. Click here and have that troubleshooting go on. It will erase and fix some of the issues that you might have. That's the second thing you should do. Try the troubleshooting for Windows Update. It might be corrupted there. And the third thing is there might be something that's wrong that didn't go well in the previous update. That means a clean install. You can clean install with one of the Insider Previews image that exists. And I'll post the link to that in the description below the video. You can go on the internet, and about a week or two ago, there was a problem with there was an issue, sorry, with the Insider ISO that they actually updated. So if you want to have the Insider Preview ISO download, and I'll post the link to the description below the video, what you could do is go here. So this is where it's all at. I searched for it and I got it, but I'll post the link so you can just click on it. Go down this page, create a DVD or USB thumb drive with the build 18343, and with this ISO, install it, and then trigger the Windows Update, and it should bring you to build 18362, unless there's a new build today, which is 18 something, or tomorrow. You can also wait. It could be an issue that's going to be fixed, and it's going to work also. So you can wait for the next build also. But doing a clean install sometimes is a good idea. Actually, every time I had update problems in my Insider Previews, I actually used an image and created a clean install of my Insider machine and started again. So hopefully these little tips will help you in moving ahead. So we're, of course, looking for other builds, for other information about what's happening. We are Thursday today. The week goes by really fast, March the 21st. And, well, this build seems to work well. The list of known issues is getting smaller by the minute. I think we're almost there. So I hope you enjoy the build. And, of course, we'll keep you updated with anything else that's going to happen. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.